welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be reacting to two of its funny videos. I don't know. Wait, I have my face cam on. I don't want my face cam on today. Alright. Alright, stop. Let me find what the first video is under. I get like all my notifications on my phone. And I feel like Alright, that was just... Alright, a couple of minutes ago, It's Funny tweeted out, thank you for 2 million subscribers. 2 million subscribers. We wouldn't have made it this far if you changed our lives forever. Love you, fam. Alright, and it's funny. I've already watched this. This is not sponsored, guys.
Only purple passes the durability test.
Alright.
That is me as a baby. Look at that face.
I was shocked.
Focusing, but don't ask. No, I will show you all of their names on screen. I can't do it. This is my face. Well, you've never seen this before. This is my face. It's time for a Q&A.
Alright, so, as you know, that's Funny, that's Gold, that's Lunar, that's Rainbow, and that's Draco.
Guys, this moment you've been waiting for. It's been, how long has it been?
2 years?
Yeah.
Quite a while.
2 years, guys. So, we've asked you on Twitter, Instagram, and...
I did send one a question just like this, but of course they didn't answer it because it was during a live stream. Okay, let's get back in.
At DogLoverKIS asks, any of the other crew members have pets? If so, photos, please. Why?
I wanted to show you guys their face reveal.
Actually, this is new. It's nasty. Go into this empty shelf.
What?
Whatever, guys, but we'll be posting and doing Instagram stories on all of these handles, so make sure to go follow. And thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys all in the next
Mistakes and everything.
Yoshi. Yeah, it did. Was a Dr. Group practice.
Oh my god, look!
Look at this, bubbles.
Cute little baby. Look at him. You go smack that like button down below. And if you're new and this is the first video you ever saw, congratulations. You didn't wait 5 whole years for this. Thank you guys again for 2 million plus subscribers. We're going to be vlogging in New York, so keep an eye out for that video.
Hopefully we weren't too awkward.
Yeah.
We don't really know what
And make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all of that stuff because I'm probably going to be going live in the hotel room because I think that's cool. Yeah, you guys get to talk with us live. Oh. Oh yeah, we have really good
Maybe
internet.
Insta stories.
I forgot about that. Whatever, guys, but we'll be posting and doing Instagram stories on all of these handles, so make sure to go follow. And thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys!
Bye.
Okay, now finally, time to pick up the camera and show you what our puppy little Reinhardt is doing. Look at him, he's so precious. Reinhardt is sleeping like a little cute little baby. Look at him, Reinhardt. Yeah, he's sick, guys. It's like 12 right now.
Earlier today.
Office tour. Okay, so we are making our ways into the beautiful kitchen. What do we do? Hey, no,
This is my favorite machine. This machine, the Nespresso.
Why did you have to sing that? Why did you have to sing that? Okay, so I don't know if it's that interesting to record how it goes. No, we gotta do it again properly. You hold it like this.
Alright, I don't want to get copyrighted. So I will link this video. I'm just gonna copy this. And I hope you guys did enjoy. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.